Hey guys, welcome back. Houston Math Prep here. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to find the number of whole number divisors any given number has. So in order to do that, we can use this theorem, which says that for a number with prime factorization, p1 raised to the n1 power times p2 raised to the n2 power, and so on, where p1 and p2 up through pk are all the different primes, and n1, n2, and nk are all the different exponents that those primes are raised to, then a number with that prime factorization will have n1 plus 1 times n2 plus 1 all the way up through nk plus 1 whole number divisors. So essentially, we would take each power of each prime, add 1 to it, and then multiply those all together. So let's take kind of a small example. For example, 12. 12 has a prime factorization of 2 squared times 3. Now 3 doesn't have an exponent showing, so we know its exponent is automatically 1. So that means that 12 has 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 1, or 3 times 2 equals 6 whole number divisors. Now if you think for a minute, can you list those 6 whole number divisors? Right. They are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and 4. All right, so let's take some larger numbers and see if we can find out the number of whole number divisors. So let's take the number 1,000. How many whole number divisors does it have? Well, in order to use that theorem, we're going to need the prime factorization of 1,000. So let's start there. We can rewrite 1,000 as 10 times 100. We can further break those down as 2 times 5 and 10 times 10. And then, of course, each of those 10s can also be broken down as 2 times 5. So our prime factorization of 1,000 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 5, or 3 copies of 2 makes 2 cubed times 3 copies of 5 makes 5 to the third. So if we take each one of those exponents and add 1, then 1,000 has 3 plus 1 times 3 plus 1, or 4 times 4, or 16 whole number divisors. All right, let's see if we can do this one more time. How many whole number divisors does the number 420 have? Well, if we get the prime factorization for 420, we can see that that is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7, or 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7. Remember that 3, 5, and 7, since we don't see an exponent, really is raised to the power of 1. So 420 has 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 1, or 3 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 24 whole number divisors. All right, guys, well, that does it for this video on the number of whole number divisors and how to find it. Until next time, we'll catch you in a future video.